Asthma. It is a chronic, relapsing inflammatory disorder. A chronic, relapsing inflammatory disorder characterized by paroxysmal reversible bronchospasm. A chronic, relapsing inflammatory disorder characterized by paroxysmal reversible bronchospasm. A chronic, relapsing inflammatory disorder. Asthma is a chronic, relapsing inflammatory disorder characterized by paroxysmal reversible bronchospasm. A chronic relapsing inflammatory disorder characterized by paroxysmal reversible bronchospasm. Types of asthma. Atopic asthma is the most common form of asthma. Age of atopic asthma: childhood. Family history is positive. Stimuli: environmental allergens like pollen, dust, animal dander, and foods. Evidence of allergen sensitization is present. Evidence of allergen sensitization is present. Aggravating factor: respiratory viral infection. Association with allergic rhinitis and eczema. Mechanism: type 1 hypersensitivity reaction. Pathogenesis: immune responses to environmental allergens. Immune responses to environmental allergens in genetically predisposed individual causes atopic asthma. Immune responses to environmental allergens in genetically predisposed individuals causes atopic asthma. Genetic susceptibility: individuals with interleukin 13 gene polymorphism are at greater risk. Individuals with interleukin 13 gene polymorphism are at greater risk. Environmental factors: exposure to airborne pollutants play a crucial role. Exposure to airborne pollutants play a crucial role. Individuals with interleukin 13 gene polymorphism are at greater risk. Environmental factors: exposure to airborne pollutants play a crucial role. Immune responses: exaggerated Th2 response is seen with the secretion of interleukins 4, 5, and 13 that promote inflammation and stimulate IgE production from B cell. IgE binds to the Fc receptors on the submucosal mast cell. IgE bind to the Fc receptor on submucosal mast cell, and repeat exposure to the allergen trigger the mast cells to release granule contents and produce various mediators. Early phase reaction: bronchoconstriction, increased mucus production, and vasodilation. Increased vascular permeability are seen. Mediators: leukotriene, C4, D4, E4. They cause bronchoconstriction, increased vascular permeability, and increased mucus secretion. Acetylcholine causes constriction of the airway smooth muscles. Histamine causes bronchoconstriction. Prostaglandin D2 causes bronchoconstriction and vasodilation. Platelet activating factor causes platelet aggregation. Late phase reaction: recruitment of leukocyte, eosinophils, neutrophils, and T lymphocytes are seen in late phase reaction. Non-atopic asthma: no evidence of allergen sensitization. Positive family history is rare. Predisposing factors: respiratory viral infections like rhinovirus, parainfluenza virus, RSV, and inhaled air pollutants like tobacco smoke and ozone. Inhaled air pollutants like tobacco smoke and ozone. Exposure to cold and exercise. Morphology: lungs are overinflated with patchy atelectasis and mucus plugging of the airways. Lungs are overinflated with patchy atelectasis and mucus plugging of the airways. Whorled mucus plugs known as Koshman spirals. Koshman spirals are the whorled mucus plugs. Crystalloid eosinophil granular debris known as Charcot-Leyden crystal. Charcot-Leyden crystals are the crystalloid eosinophilic granular debris which are deposited in the airways. Airway remodeling with subbasement membrane fibrosis, increased vascular permeability, increase in the size of submucosal glands, and the number of airway goblet cells, hypertrophy and hyperplasia of the bronchial muscle, airway remodeling with subbasement membrane fibrosis, increased vascularity, increased in the size of submucosal glands, increase in the number of airway goblet cells, hypertrophy and hyperplasia of the bronchial muscles. Clinical presentation: recurrent episodes of chest tightness, wheezing, dyspnea, cough, particularly at night or in the early morning. Recurrent episodes of chest tightness, wheezing, dyspnea, and cough. Acute severe asthma or status asthmaticus. It is a state of unremitting attacks which may lead to cyanosis and death. Investigation: eosinophilia. Sputum में there is eosinophil, Koshman spirals and Charcot-Leyden crystal. High total serum IgE levels in atopic asthma.